Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be trying out some products from Camille Rose, and y'all know I love me some Camille Rose, and I finally got my hands on that Guava Slip collection, baby, and I am ready to try it. So y'all ready? Let's do it. Okay, so I went to my local beauty supply store where I found the collection, and I picked up 3 products from the collection. I got the detangling shampoo, the leave-in conditioner, and the whip souffle styler. Now I wore my hair in twists all week and they're starting to look really raggedy, and it's time to wash my hair. So I'm gonna start off with that shampoo. And it says, experience a decadent cleanse with our high slip detangling shampoo infused with guava fruit essence and cockadoo plum extract. This gentle formula is crafted to shorten wash days by effectively removing dirt and buildup while dissolving stubborn knots and tangles. Hair is left purified and perfectly primed for conditioning. All right, y'all. I'm going to go wash my hair in the shower. I'm not gonna take y'all with me, but I'll come back and tell you what I think about this shampoo. Okay, y'all, I am back from shampooing my hair, and I also deep conditioned my hair. Now, this collection does not have a deep conditioner. I wish it did, because that's like my favorite thing to do during my wash days. But I did end up using a deep conditioner from Camille Rose. I'll go ahead and put it on the screen so you know what I use. I absolutely love that deep conditioner. It is amazing. Now, this shampoo, I was very impressed. It really got my hair clean, and it does not feel stripped. In fact, it feels very moisturized. And yeah, it reminds me a lot of the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Shampoo. That's the one I usually use because that does a great job as well. But this one right here, y'all, the lather. I love a shampoo that really lathers. It just makes me feel like my hair is getting clean and it's not stripped. So yeah, this stuff was amazing. The scent, like a nice tropical fruity scent, not overpowering at all, won't give you a migraine. I'm not sure if it lingers or not because the deep conditioner that I used just kind of took over with that scent, but that's okay because that one smells good too. But yeah, love this shampoo. This is probably gonna be a staple in my routine from now on. Okay, I just separated my hair into 4 sections, and now it's time to try this leave-in conditioner. So it says, transform your texture with our high slip leave-in conditioner. This lightweight formula is crafted to deliver a burst of hydration and effortless glide for seamless styling and frizz control on curls, coils, and waves. Infused with guava fruit essence and that cock-a-doodle-doo plum extract, it provides intense nourishment, leaving hair smooth, supple, and soft to the touch. Okay, I divided that back section in half, and I'm just applying some warm water to open up my hair cuticles. Taking the little safety tab off of the leave-in. Shake it up. Shake, 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 shake. It's not that much. Okay, it is not thick at all. It does feel very slippery. Let's see. Ooh, it smells good, y'all. Ooh. All right, I think I'm gonna need a little bit more of this because it's very runny. And it didn't feel like it coated all my strands, so I'm gonna add some more. That's a little bit better. Oh, it smells so good. Get my wide tooth comb, start to detangle. Now my hair is pretty much detangled already because I kind of detangle in the shower when I rinse out my deep conditioner. But still, I want to get it nice and detangled before I do anything else. And this does have nice slip. I'm just taking my time. Okay. So for the sake of time, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to the rest of my hair and then I'll be back. All right, the leave-in is all applied and that stuff was really runny. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be a little bit thicker, but it does have nice slip. But the best thing about it to me is that scent. But anyway, I'm going to sit under my hooded dryer and just stretch my hair out a little bit before I do this twist out. Hey, hey. Woo, woo. Y'all, my hair is so uneven, but it feels good. I'll get around to evening it out eventually as it grows out. So I'm not that concerned about it, as long as it's growing in healthy. But yeah, it feels good. Stretched out, but not straight. And I'm getting ready to do these twists. Wish me luck. All right, let's learn a little bit about this Guava Slip Whip Souffle Styler. This luxurious lightweight formula infused with guava fruit essence and that cock-a-doodle-doo plum extract is crafted to provide superior frizz control and styling versatility for curls, coils, and waves. Knots and tangles dissolve effortlessly on wet or dry hair, leaving strands hydrated, defined, and silky smooth. Yeah, it's like each product I try, the scent gets better and better. The shampoo smelled amazing. The leave-in smelled even better. And this stuff right here, oh Lord, it smells so good. Consistency, nice and rich and creamy. Just go ahead and apply some. It's very creamy, I like that. Okay, when I get to the end, spray a little water. I think I got too much. Just work that in there, twist it around. Okay. All right, let's keep going. Okay, y'all, the twists are all in. They feel nice and juicy. Here's what they look like. So now I just need to let this dry overnight and then I will be back in the morning. Good night. Good morning, y'all. I'm back. My twists are all dry. And yes, I know I look rough, but that's okay. I don't have on any makeup. Once I take these twists down, then I'll put on some makeup. Okay, let me put a little razzle dazzle on it, fix my face, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. Okay, y'all, I'm back, and this is the best that I could come up with. Now, let me just say this. This is cute. I'm not mad at it. If you like your twist outs to be very voluminous and fluffy, and you don't mind some frizz, but for me, I like a little more definition with my twist out. And I know that since the souffle was a lightweight formula, as soon as I step outside, poof, it is gone. It might hold up if I use the souffle and then go on top of it with the Camille Rose curly, what is it called? The curl stimulator, curly, whatever it's called, their gel. And then I might get more hold. But no, it's not gonna hold up just on its own, but it's cute. What y'all think? And here's the back. Okay, y'all, so my final thoughts. Detangling shampoo, love it. It has a rich, lather, it smells amazing, and it definitely cleans your hair without stripping it. The leave-in conditioner, also a great product, has great slip, smells even better than the shampoo. A little runny, but it still works and gets the job done. Now this Whip Soufflé Styler smells even better than the leave-in conditioner. Nice and creamy, gives your hair moisture, super lightweight. So if that's what you like, then this will work for you. But if you're looking for a strong hold, it's not gonna work. At least not for me. Maybe it'll work for you. You know, my signature style is a wash and go, so I definitely want to try these two again, but pair it up with that Camille Rose gel to see how they work. Please comment below if you tried this collection. Let me know how it worked for you. All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and click that like button because it really helps out my channel a lot. And if you like videos like this and you're not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe and join my little YOLO family because it continues to grow, y'all. And click that notification bell so you don't miss another one of my uploads. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.